Okay. So hello guys, I'm Aj Yemoh. If today is your first time seeing me, I'm Aj Yemoh, and this look was done by Sweetness and I'm loving it. Guys, I'm sparkling. What do you think? Just comment in the comment section below.
So guys, this is AJ waiting for me.
I'm here with AJ. Yeah, so yes.
Hi guys.
You want to know what is going to happen? Then stick to.
Yes, today she's going to transform me into another hey, another girl.
Share and how no who be for kwa. What you say? Yeah. So guys, I'm using this primer. Do you really need this tuting? Let's enjoy the video. So I'm going to use this primer.
I'm feeling sleepy right now.
Don't sleep. Oh, there, make sure I'm So, okay. So I'm going to start with her skin first, and you will work her skin shades in your lashes.
Why?
You're looking at you, Bruni.
Yes, huh?
Yeah, you're Bruni Kakasha. I'm going to use this because I'm not going to do like so much. And then a little of my favorite foundation. I don't know why I like this foundation, but I just like it so much. Okay, so AJ, turn your face. So I'm going in with my favorite foundation because I'm just blending her shade before I add her concealer.
She has sent to my neck. Why?
Okay, it's because I want to balance the shade from your jawline to your neck and also kill the harsh line. Also, sometimes you do a makeup, now don't say there is a line at the end of your makeup. You can see where your makeup ended in your skin.
Yeah.
So I just want to blend
it.
that.
Okay.
Yeah. So most of the time, we have pen now and yeah. You see that kind of thing. And you remember those days when the bankers were doing makeup? Please, so don't come from me. They do it in the way a woman is very loud. Then you see the line through and their skin. It's so beautiful. And this concealer, and it's golden beige to give a little golden, settings. AJ, why are you so happy?
That's a picture.
Okay, so. You're smiling. Open your eyes for me.
Oh.
Why?
I'm so happy. I can't wait to see my
Right, like doing white, yeah.
Guys, I can't wait to see how it goes.
So you guys, you see her nose is, working out to look something different, and that is the aim. Now I'm setting her face, but I'm using a powder contour, bronzer, yeah. So I'm using that instead of going in with a cream foundation to do the contour and all that. I just want to complete it in one way. So I'll be using the powder to do contour. You just smile. Yeah. So yep,
I'm standing behind or in front of her and watching her smile because her contour is light. Just simple. Wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
Come and watch your wife. The way she's blinking in the camera. Me now, I'm scared though. Oh, there be incomplete look. Smile. Oh, you're looking. Hey, Aj Yemoh.
Red powder from L'Oreal True Match. If it's not visible, watch my other videos. It's visible there, okay? Yeah. So I'm just setting the highlighted places. I believe in setting because this makeup, AJ won't clean it. AJ will sleep in this makeup today, so which is bad. But I believe in setting because it's the only magic that keeps your look intact.
Okay.
Yeah. There's no magic, including the setting spray they use. It doesn't do anything. It's just the powder.
AJ, please look this way. So cutting underneath the contour elevates the beauty of your cheeks. AJ, please, 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 please. So this is without it, and you see the difference. So if you love this way and you see people doing it and you do not understand, AJ says I should explain to you.
It's time for the eyebrows, guys.
Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Lash no make me do fear no. You know what happened when I was selecting the lash for you? I was like, this girl, I won't let her choose her lashes because she will tell me I'm scared, I want short, so I'll choose, but I'll give her options. And so the second option was equally longer.
Make it more natural.
Yeah. So everyone, this is AJ. Oh, why am I shaking the camera? This is AJ looking very enhanced because she's already beautiful. Yeah. So AJ, how do you feel? And
I'm really feeling myself, guys. Yes, I'm sparkling.
like in
I
fact,
love the lashes,
it's when we say makeup like skin. This is one of them. Because
So guys, this is the end of my beauty upgrading of AJ. AJ is looking so beautiful, and the truth is she's naturally beautiful and the makeup enhances the beauty. So she's looking beautiful and she's going to take her pictures, and you know everything about she taking the pictures, she dancing, she loving her look will be on her channel. So do well to visit Aj Yemoh. Yeah, just do well and visit her channel. And if you haven't subscribed, do well and subscribe and join the family. I love you. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye.